Alright guys, check out my 1/16/4x4. It has a Castle SCT system in it. So we got the Sidewinder 4 ESC and the 3800 kV motor, 4-pole. That's it. I had to cut the receiver box out of it to get everything to fit right, and bought a bunch of pinion gears because this motor has a lot of torque. So we have a all the way up to like 36 or something tooth. So we'll slap these in, put it on here, put a 3-cell in it, and then we'll get our final numbers out of this thing. Because once we're kind of done testing this setup, we're going to try another motor and ESC combination. So it's already undrivable with this combination. Honestly, it's almost undrivable with the stock motor. It kind of is really like wants to shoot everywhere as soon as you gun it, so that's really hard to do. But I'm gonna get some running footage for you guys, and I'll get that posted up as well. So once I get the running footage and this footage done, I'll post them all up in a video. And hopefully the next time you guys see this truck, it's going to be a little bit different. I think we're going to try to do something crazy here. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, we're out here with the 1/16 scale slash. We put a Sidewinder 4 in it in the last video, so we're going to run it on the street a little bit, show you guys the top speed. And then we're going to run it in the dirt and run it on this little concrete deal. This is our usual bash spot. It's a pretty good spot. That's it. This is on 2-cell. So last video we also ran it on the stock motor, stock battery. It was all right, but it's kind of slow. So now we got brushless, and it's also on a 2-cell light. All right, let's see what the probably got twice the speed of its stock. Doesn't drift very good, but I just... So that's with the Sidewinder 4. The motor's not really even warm at all. I don't think it really feels this truck. This is for 4-wheel drive 10 scale. This is a 4-wheel drive 16 scale. So the ESC is hot glued on. It didn't fly off even after like doing a million cartwheels. So that's good. That's gonna be it for this video, you guys. So that's really all I got, I guess, as far as driving goes. So thank you for watching. That's it.